Welcome to a multimedia demonstration of Ezyreport Pro software. Once you start Ezyreport Pro, this is the first login screen that you will get. If it is the first time that you have installed the software, the username is P and the password also is P. We click on login to start the software. At this point we click on yes to start the auto backup facility, and then we can go to patient registration. When we go to patient registration, one more screen appear which will tell you how long the software will work before it expires. We click on OK and proceed. This is the screen for patient entry. It contains a sample ID which has to be unique for every patient in the database file. We can use either numbers or we can use a combination of alphanumeric characters, for example AB31. We type in the patient's name, Mr. Paresh Shah. Then we type in the doctor's name in case the doctor's name is not there in the list. We fill the age and the sex of the patient. We have 5 different types of age groups, starting from newborn, infant, child 1 to 4 years, 4 to 7 years, 7 to 12 years, and adult. The normal range for each of these age groups can be defined in the test menu columns. Then we select the test for the test which is requested for this patient, for example CBC and blood sugar fasting. One very important feature which is here is that we can hide the uncommon tests that are not commonly requested. In the maintenance menu which we will show you later on, we can select a test which should be common or not, which can be made uncommon. Now at the same time, whenever you select a test, the corresponding history that is to be asked will appear in the screen, which will aid the person collecting the blood to request the required history from the patient. For example, in case we are going to collect blood for ACTH, then it will show that it should be collected as a random sample in EDTA. We click on add new record and go to the next patient. As soon as we click on add new record, the sample ID immediately increments by the next number. We can enter the next patient. If you observe that since we entered Mrs., the sex automatically changed to F. We can enter the required age group. Again enter the test like say urine and continue. If you observe this number here 15 indicates the amount of cut which is to be given to the doctor, which also can be adjusted by going to the test masters. We can record a patient history whatever is there here, and we can proceed to the next patient. We click on cancel exit to get out of the screen and go to result entry.